Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Jeep Wrangler doors. First, let's identify the common problems you might encounter, such as a door that sags or doesn't close smoothly. Next, you'll need to gather a few essential tools. Make sure you have a Torx T50 bit, a wrench, and some lubricant ready. Finally, always ensure your Jeep is parked on a level and stable surface for safety before you begin any work. Now let's get to the adjustment. Using your Torx T50 bit, slightly loosen the two hinge bolts on the door. You don't need to remove them completely, just enough so the door can move. With a helper, gently lift or lower the door until it aligns perfectly with the body. Once aligned, carefully tighten the hinge bolts securely. Double-check the alignment before moving on. After adjusting, lubrication is key for smooth operation. Apply a high-quality lithium grease to all the hinge pins. This helps reduce friction and prevents future sticking. Once lubricated, open and close the door several times to ensure the grease is evenly distributed. Finally, check that the door opens and closes smoothly and latches securely without any resistance. This step is crucial for long-term performance. To keep your Jeep Wrangler doors in top condition, regular maintenance is essential. Periodically inspect the hinges for any signs of wear or corrosion. Keeping the hinge pins clean and free of debris will also prevent future sticking problems. A little preventative care goes a long way. Also, for other great deals and to check out those darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, be sure to look at the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.